come along and learn your ABCs.
The magic carpet soared higher, carrying the boy towards the glowing city hidden among the stars.
Look! All the letters have disappeared from my book. How will we read our bedtime story? It's an apple! There is a letter hiding inside it. Can you help us say it? Apple! Got it! Great job, Alfie!
A.
Apple.
Ant.
Alligator. Whoa! Look at that go! I've got it! It's a ball! Do you know what letter starts the word ball? That's right! It's B!
B. B.
Ball. Banana. Shh! Look! The letter C is taking a nap with the cat. C is for cat. Gently now. C! Cat. Car. Cup.
Can you bark the letter with us?
D, D, dog. Good boy, Sparky. Now we have A, B, C, and D.
D.
Drum. Duck. Dog.
Look, Benny. It's a little blue egg. An egg. I wonder if there's a surprise inside. It's E.
E.
Egg. Elephant.
There's the letter F. It's swimming with the fish.
Quick! Catch it before it floats away.
F is for fish.
F. Fish.
Fish.
Fan. Frog.
Whoa, Luna! Look at the ground. The grass is sparkling today.
G.
Goat.
Guitar.
Grapes.
Look at the door. There's a giant handle. We are at the house.
H. Hat. Hippopotamus. House.
Whoa! It's freezing in here. Look at all this ice.
I. Igloo. Iguana. Ink.
Look at me, Leo. I can jump so high. Wait for me. Let's jump together. What letter starts the word jump? It's J.
J.
Jam. Jet. Jellyfish.
I found them. Mom's keys. We need these to open the door. Leo, it's shaped a letter.
K. Kite. Kangaroo. King.
Everything is so yellow and bright here. I love fresh lemonade. And I love lemons. L.
Lion. Lemon.
I'm so hungry. This milk looks great. And look at this giant muffin. It's just like a letter on top.
M.
Monkey.
Moon. Milk.
We need to stay clean, Leo. Don't forget your napkin. Wait, Luna, look at how you folded it. It made a shape.
N.
Nose. Nest. Net.
Look how round this is. It's a perfect juicy orange. And look at the shape. It's a perfect circle.
O. Octopus. Orange. Otter.
I'm at the top of the playground. Look what I found. A perfect pebble. It's P. Whee!
P. Pig. Penguin. Pizza.
Shh. Leo, be quiet. I'm reading about a beautiful queen.
Sorry, Luna. Look, the queen in your book is wearing a crown shaped like a letter.
Q. Queen. Quack. Leo, look. The rain stopped and look what appeared in the sky. It's a rainbow.
R. Rabbit. Rain. Rocket.
Wow, it's a beautiful day. The sun is so bright. Look, he's Letter S?
S. Sun. Snake. Star.
Look at my big red truck, Leo. And look at that tree, Luna. It's so tall.
T.
Tiger. Train. Tree.
Oh no! It's starting to sprinkle. I better open the umbrella.
U. Umbrella. Up.
Listen, do you hear that humming sound? That sounds like a string instrument. V.
Van. Violin. Vase.
The garden is thirsty. Look at all the water.
W. W.
Whale. Watch.
Water.
Look at this cool picture of bones. It's an X-ray. And look, the bones are crossed in the shape of a letter.
X. Box. Fox.
Look at my yo-yo, Leo, and it's a bright yellow color.
Y. Yacht.
We have almost all of them, from A to Y, but where is the last one?
Look, Benny, the zebra. It's the end of our alphabet zigzag.
Z. Zebra.
Zebra.
Zipper.
We have almost all of them, from A to Y, but where is the last one?
Look, Benny, the zebra. It's the end of our alphabet zigzag. Now that we found all the letter sets, let's sing!
A, B, C, yeah, the ABC song.
We're gonna light it up tonight. Feel the rhythm shining bright. Everybody sing along with me now.
It's karaoke time. Are you ready?
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z.
All the letters are coming home.
ABCs, next time won't you sing with me?
We did it! From A to Z, the letters are home! Now every word has its place.